Hello! Today we're going to be talking about do you flip or not flip. And if you're on the Zoom today, we played Hangman to figure out that I need to get black. If you multiply or I have no idea how I just changed colors. I think my hand did it. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, that is the rule. Then you will flip the inequality. So that means if it's going this way, you flip it from greater than to less than. If it's greater than and equal to, then it's less than or equal to, and so on and so on. So today we are going to do examples together. I'm going to draw my line, and the opposite of multiplying is dividing, so I'm going to divide both sides by -3. I'm putting a negative number on the other side of the inequality, so that means I have to flip it. It's greater than, so right now I'm going to go ahead and flip it right now so I don't forget. This cancels out. X is equal to 27 divided by -3 is -9. Okay, next. I'm going to rewrite this one because it's X is divided by -5 is greater than 7. I'm going to multiply both sides by -5. I moved the -5 across the inequality sign, so now I need to flip it. This cancels out. X is less than -35. Draw my line. We are multiplying. This is a positive number. Since it's a positive number, we are not moving a negative number across the inequality sign, so we are going to keep the inequality the same. -32 divided by 4 is 8, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative. A number divided by 6 is less than or equal to -11. We are dividing to isolate the variable. We're going to multiply both sides by 6. We are using a positive number to balance out our inequality, so you do not need to flip the inequality. So it's going to be a -66. I've had a couple of y'all reach out to us to give y'all extra work on studying and learning your integer rules. And if you know that is you, I would reach out to Miss Tran or Miss Rendles or Miss Malone, and we will provide you with some practice work, because y'all need to have this nailed down. You need to be so comfortable with doing this when you get to 7th grade. -5x, so we have a negative number, we're multiplying. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. We're dividing both sides by -5. Since we are using a negative number, we're going to flip our inequality. X is greater than or equal to -4. We are going to divide both sides by -2. We need to flip our inequality. X is less than or equal to -6. Y'all need to be super fluid with these concepts. Here we go. And we are going to say We're going to divide both sides by 9/10. It's a positive, so we do not need to flip the inequality. That cancels out. X is less than. And now think about this. You're going to divide 36 by 0.9, right? It's going to be greater than move your 0 over, move your 0. So 9 will go into 360 40 times, and it's negative 40. Make sure you add that 0.